By the title, you know what this topic's about. It's about a nail or a screw in the tire. When you get to the car and you walk to your car, do you walk around the vehicle one time and inspect all your tires? I think you don't. You just hop in and get in. Oh, look right here. I got something that's right on there. That's why I marked it already there for all. Many people don't know what to do. I already taken off my lug nuts, made them loose, and taken off the deterrent lug nuts, as you can see. I prepared it all, and I lift the car and get the tire off. A crossbar is one of the best tools you can have around. Trust me. It makes the job a lot easier, and everything comes off in a breeze. We look at the tire, 360 degrees and more. We make sure that's the only nail in there. Important to see if it's leaking the way it is. Dunk it, look for bubbles, and you're good to go. What is missing? Glue. Glue's really not needed. You get rubber cement. And what we're gonna do is just use this tool and see what we can do to get it out. It's a small screw. Hopefully we won't need to have anything to get rid of this. Catch it in time, you're good to go. That is super small indeed. That is very small. 1/4 of an inch. But let's go check it out. See if we got any leaks. Upon observation, I don't see any bubbles. I was lucky. Many people out there don't have these tools or know what to do. But you get the idea. Have a great day with your fixing of the tire. Have a great day, everybody.